Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us, and as you can see, the range of gold is still valid. If you have been watching my videos, then you know the setup very well that we have got 1848 on the upside and 1820 um 1848 on the upside and 1828 to 1830 on the downside as support. Okay, this is a range of gold right now. This is the support of gold where buyers are present, and 1840 is the level of sellers, which is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance and this is the support. And in addition, if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you know that we have one more level, and that is 1843. Okay, 1843, 1844 is another level of gold where minor resistance is present and sellers are also present there. So right now you can see that gold is unable to cross these levels. Okay, so today today also these levels are important because right now we do not see any heavy sell-off or anything huge on the market right now. Okay, FOMC is coming up. Okay, during the FOMC or after the FOMC, there will be some volatility in the market, but till FOMC, I think that market will be trading in this range only. Okay, and keep in mind, okay, if gold breaks the level of 1848, then there is no proper resistance for the market right now. There may be a huge uprun for gold because the next big resistance on gold is only available at 1858 to 1860. Yes, this is the only big resistance for gold if it breaks the level of 1848 level. Okay, but the situation is extremely opposite in case of the downside. So if gold breaks the level of 1828, then we have many support available on the market. We have support at 1824, 1822, 1820. There are multiple support on gold if it breaks the level of 1828. But on the upside, we have the next big resistance at 1858 only. If you want a detailed analysis of the gold chart right now, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. So right now, just keep in mind that if gold goes up and reverses from the resistance zone of 1848, you can take a sell position. If you see that gold is also reversing from the minor resistance, yes, I'm using the word minor here because 1848 is not a very strong one. In case of a good buy, okay, 1848 will break. So if gold reverses from 1843 to 44 level, and if you see a price being rejected from above, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, if you see a bearish pin bar kind of a pattern, then also you can definitely take a sell position at 1843. After all, these two are the resistance for the gold right now. Similarly, if you see price rejection at the support of 1828, 1830, you can also definitely take a buy here because you can see that whenever gold has come down to this level, there was a good price rejection from below. Okay, and lastly, let's talk about the chart of DXY because my videos are incomplete without DXY. See, this is the chart of DXY here, and as expected, okay, the resistance zone of 96.05 to 96.25 is still valid. But surprisingly, okay, when I made my yesterday's video, it was trading here. I told you that, remember I told you that there may be a resistance here, gold may fail also to break the resistance. So I told you to observe the market carefully, and shockingly, okay, not surprisingly, shockingly, okay, there was a massive candle here and gold, sorry, the US dollar became extremely bullish, but our second resistance worked very well. And if you have been watching my videos, then you know this setup very well. Okay, so this resistance zone is still valid. Yesterday it failed to cross the level, so right now market is trying to go up, but there is a possibility that market will face selling pressure again in this level. And if market reverses from this level, we will see some buying on gold. And if we see unexpected selling on the chart of DXY or US dollar, we will see uh, sorry aha, if gold buying on gold, okay, and if DXY goes down also, then also we will see some buying on gold as well. But if go US dollar DXY breaks the resistance zone, if it breaks the resistance zone and goes up, then we will see some selling on gold. So what I'm saying is that whatever you do, whenever you are taking any position on gold, just consult the chart of DXY once and see in which direction DXY was moving. Always keep in mind, okay, there is a correlation. In general, we see when dollar going up, gold going down, and when dollar going down, we generally see gold going up. Okay, so this is the correlation we generally see on the market. Okay, so all the best. See you tomorrow.